Here are the ingredients: 1 whole native chicken, 3 tablespoons of peased ginger, 2 cups of chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, 2 cups of garlic, 5 tablespoons of rock salt, 1 cup slice of celery stem and leaves. Add 5 cups of water. Put the ingredients garlic, ginger, onion, salt, pepper, and mix together. Then, bring to boil until the meat is tender for 1 hour. Then, check and stir the meat. After which, put the liver, heart, and egg, stir, and bring to boil until the meat is cooked. Then, add the celery, stir, then simmer for 3 minutes or when the celery is cooked. So, here's the cooked native chicken garlic stew with celery. Let's eat.